Good afternoon. I will be showing how to find the file attributes for on FTK Imager for FAT32. So after you open up FTK Imager, what you first want to do is select the source evidence type. You will be using logical drive, and then you'll select FAT32. So after it finishes loading, here's how to identify the file, the drive attributes. So the jump to boot section, that's going to be the first 3 bytes. I'm going to highlight it for you. EB, 58, and 90. That is the jump to boot section. Next, we're going to find the original equipment factor, or the OEM, which is the fourth byte all the way to the 10th. I'm going to highlight it, and this is the OEM name. Next, we're going to find the sector size, which is the 11th and 12th byte. So right next to the OEM 0002. But we normally read this in Little Indian, so it will be 20. Or if we convert it to decimal, it will be 512. Next, we're going to find the sectors in the cluster, which is the 13th byte in the first row, right next to here, 20. And now we're going to find the reserve cluster, the reserve sector, which is just the last 2 bytes. And we'll put this in Little Indian as well, so it will be 005A or just 5A. Next, we're going to find the amount of FAT copies. The number of FAT copies never changes, and it will always be in the second row, first byte, 2. Next, we're going to find the media descriptor, which is the 5th byte in the second row, F8. Now we're going to find the sectors in the tract, which is the 7th and 8th byte in the second row, 00-3F. Now we're going to find the disk head, which is the 10th byte in the second row, FF. Now we're going to find the hidden sectors, which is the 11th and 12th byte in the second row, 0, 0, 20, 0020. Now we're going to find the total sectors in the drive, which is the first 4 bytes in the third row, E05F9803. And this is always converted to Little Indian, so it will be 03985FE0, and that is the total sectors. Now we're going to find the FAT size, which is the 5th and 6th bytes in the third row, right next to the total sectors, 8339, and then we'll put this in Little Indian as well, so it will be 3983. And lastly, we're going to find our directory, which is the 12th byte in the third row, 68. And when you convert that to decimal, it will be 107. And that is all the file attributes that I have identified for FAT32. Thank you.